be a 2023 beautiful white color. So we take a look inside to the default vehicle picture. Most of it is going to go right now. With the feature doors, fuel sensor feature. Up inside have a nice armrest, power washers and mirrors. Gray and black power driver, hard corner memories and functions. Top inside to get the vehicle fully started up now. Easy push start button. The left side we have our automatic headlights. On the left side we do have our adaptive cruise control functions, radio controls. The right side we have our heated steering wheel, Bluetooth controls there as well, and our rain wiper controls. Coming to the infotainment system now, go to the radio and check out our source list. We do have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth all available there for us. Also can connect your phone via Bluetooth. Navigation, we do have full color nav here available as well, so that is super nice. Do also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can use that for your navigation needs, which will be in here. Vehicle settings now. We have our ESC system, tires, lights, parking and maneuvering, have your automatic activation, rear traffic alert there as well, ambient lighting, your mirrors, tons of stuff got in there. And back to our menu, app connect, navigation, vehicle assist systems, which we definitely want to take a peek at. Have our adaptive cruise control, blind spot sensor, and our dynamic road sign display. Front assist, side assist, you can see there. And anything in the vehicle settings, no, we kind of went through that. Dual zone automatic climate control functions. You got your front and rear defrost, heated seats for the driver and the passenger, auto start, stop. Also have two USB-Cs, 12-volt start stop engine button like we showed you earlier. Backup camera, that rear park sense audio, electronic park brake, your park sense audio button. So if you don't want that beeping to happen, you can press this and turn it off. You got your different drive mode selectors there, two cup holders, nice big center console, dual moonroof, nice and tinted there for you, sunglass holder, SOS button, your power moonroof controls, interior lighting options, and a rear view mirror. Let's take a look out. The front has an LED headlight, black finish grille, front parking sensor, Volkswagen badge in the middle. Air mats, all-terrain tires are beautiful, black alloy rims, paint matching door handles, your R-line badge, rear tinted windows, black roof rails. Keep the taillights, rear parking sensors. We got fuel exhaust, trailer tow package, 4Motion, and music valve, power strong custom button things open nice and easy for us. Rear rows of seating, two in the front, three in the middle, two in the back. Your extra set of mats, spare tire, and we'll see out there as well. Let's look at more epic back seat. In the back, you have nice armrest, power windows, tons of leg in the middle, the same level of you have in the front. Two rear air vents. Rear and tri-zone climate control functions, heated seats with two end passengers here in the middle row, two USB-Cs and 115 volt AC input. Fold this down, you get two cup holders and an armrest there as well. And two seats fold down, fold the glass and slide it forward. Got two more seats in the back, they have their own cup holders and all that stuff there. Tons of extra room. That's good magic. Wrapping up the 2023 Volkswagen Highline 4Motion in a beautiful white color. If you have any questions or want to test drive, please visit the parkmaz.ca.